Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the finals not launching, crashing, freezing, out of memory error, stuttering, and block screen on your PC. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So many users have reported loading the game client successfully but running into the launch blocking black screen on their first match joint attempt. Either a connecting to a server type loading message displays indefinitely or simply a black void. So the game music plays but no visuals ever appear. So the exact source or some sources is unclear, but speculative triggers range from server connectivity conflicts, glitch game file verification checks, outdated graphic card drivers resulting in failed rendering, or simply incompatibility between current machine setups and unfinished optimizations. So here's how to fix the finals crashing issue or block screen. So first, what you can do here is resolving file integrity errors. So for Steam players, right-click onto the finals in your library and then go to the properties. And under the local files tab, just click verify integrity of game files, prompting a scan for corrupt data. So if errors are found, damaged assets will re-download, fixing potential launch bugs. And next, what you can do is to update graphic card drivers. So outdated GPU drivers can easily clash with launching with new video games. Visit websites like NVIDIA GeForce Experience and check if drivers need updating. So clean install the latest for your card's make or model, then attempt running the finals again. And then lastly, what you can do is adjusting in-game graphics settings. So if the above steps don't work, try manually lowering visual configurations to baseline levels before boosting up the game or booting up the game. So once loaded in the settings menu, set screen resolutions, quality presets, texture filtering, and more to their minimum viable options just to roll out setting conflicts in the next launch. So ideally, the exact technical root cause leading to the black screen gets pinned down for reliable permanent solutions, but attempting these common troubleshooting tricks should at least help narrow down where the finals crashing issue resides on a player by player basis. So just stay patient and keep testing workarounds during this turbulent early release period. And so that's it for this video. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.